Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Tandra and I'm from Kitahati Christian Senior School West Campus. Today I will be presenting to you my research which is titled An Analysis into Pattern Identification and Linguistic Treatments for Dyslexic Students. Learning is a vital part of everybody's life. It is the basis in which they learn the world around them. However, for some unfortunate people, there are learning disabilities. Learning disabilities, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, is a disability that interferes with the ability for a student to learn. Today we'll be focusing on dyslexia. What is dyslexia? Well, according to the International Dyslexia Association, dyslexia is a specific learning disability that is neurological in its origin. It is characterized by difficulties with accurate and or fluent word recognition and by poor spelling and decoding abilities. The aim is to identify and treat a dyslexic student. Here is our research methodology. It focuses on the first test. The failed student will redo a similar test and the failed students follow a treatment and finally do a final test. Activity 1 is a card matching game where they have to match 10 pairs of cards 2 by 2. Activity 2 is a quick time reading game where they're given 10 dictionary words and 10 made up words. They have each to read one by one as fast as possible, as accurate as possible. And activity 3 is a grade 6 reading comprehension with 4 simple multiple choice questions that I made. As you can see, the results are divided into 4 groups with grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and unknown people who did not write their grades. Here are the rates of failure. From the first 80 students we tested, 4 of them failed, and here are the 4 students. From the first test, 4 students failed. From the second, 2 students failed, and after taking the treatment, 2 students passed the third test. In conclusion, dyslexic students have difficulty in reading a string of 3 or more consonants, words with phonic tricks such as OW or KN, and longer words. For the memory game and the reading comprehension, it can be put up to the fact that their disability impedes their ability to look at words quickly and understand the words they read. The treatment used in this research was to tell them to read phonic tricks, do memorization activities, and find similarities between the question and the passage in reading comprehensions. The treatments make the students more aware and vigilant in their daily life, leading to their own awareness and correction of their mistakes. A suggestion would be to use this test in schools so that teachers can help students with learning disabilities learn better. As a simplification to that suggestion, schools can implement a shorter version of the test to all students to shrink the population size into smaller samples where they can each take the complete test. As a final remark, we used unusual materials in our research, such as a deck of cards, as we wanted to show that any item with proper handling can be used as a learning device. Thank you for watching.